In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a watermark from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Before we begin, make sure you are using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, not the free reader. The Pro version includes the editing features we need. It's also a good idea to work on a copy of your PDF, so you can always go back to the original if needed. And of course, only remove watermarks from documents you have the right to edit. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once the document is open, look toward the top for the Tools tab. Click that, then choose Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and brings up the Edit PDF toolbar, which is where all the watermark options live. In the Edit PDF toolbar, click Watermark, and then select Remove from the drop-down menu. This command targets watermarks that were added using Acrobat's standard watermark feature, and it will remove them across all the pages they were applied to. If your file has multiple pages, Acrobat takes care of them in one go, so you don't have to handle each page individually. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure you want to remove the watermark. Click Yes. Depending on the size of the document, this might take a moment once it's done. Scroll through a few pages to visually confirm the watermark is gone. If the watermark disappears, you are set. If you still see a watermark after that, it may not have been added through the traditional watermark tool. In that case, try selecting the watermark itself directly on the page. Click on the watermark text or image so that a bounding box appears. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard. This works when the watermark is actually just a piece of text or an image embedded on the page. If you notice it on more than one page, check each affected page and repeat the delete action where necessary. Take your time here. Some watermarks are faint or sit diagonally, so zooming in can help you grab the right element. When you are happy with the results, save your PDF. Go to File, then choose Save to overwrite the existing file or Save as to create a new copy without the watermark. Using Save as is a safe choice if you want to preserve the original version for reference. That's it. Thanks for watching.